be a Professor 6 at Cebu Normal University, Dr. Remedios C. Bacos. From the college president, Sir Steve.
So, unless you want to re-enroll the subject. And that's how it is. That's the first.
Everyone, my name is Zenon Matos. Muna among nag-come up sa 𝗖𝗽𝗯𝗶 and VIP.
Are they able to meet the expectations of the customers? Are they still able to deliver the same kind of services that are expected from them? Since
this type of services. Congratulations! Ano sa ng laptop ha? Topic number 2. All I could have in mind was
today, the Northwestern Mindanao State College of Science and Technology is hosting a research capability training workshop titled From Idea to Excellence, Navigating the Thesis and Dissertation Writing Process. The workshop promises to be an invaluable resource to students and faculty alike as they embark on their research journeys.
Our cameras are on the scene, where attendees are gathered in eager anticipation of insights from the esteemed resource speaker, Dr. Remedios C. Bacos. Dr. Bacos, a renowned expert in the field of academic writing and research methodology, brings a wealth of experience and knowledge to the workshop.
Today's workshop aims to empower participants with tools and strategies needed to navigate the complex process of thesis and dissertation writing. From refining research ideas to structuring arguments and crafting compelling narratives, participants will gain practical knowledge to achieve more and enhance their academic work from concept to completion. This is Monica Faith Junio, and this is the Insights publication.
As the training workshop gets underway at NMSCST, we extend our best wishes to all the participants for a productive and enlightening session. This is Jude, and this is the Insights publication.
Okay, so generals, in front of you we have our invited resource speaker for here today with us. So, Mom, first of all, we're very honored to have you here with us today for our training workshop. So, we're really curious, Mom. Like, how are you feeling today?
At first, because it's my first time to be here, I never know that these participants are very engaging. But all throughout the day, I see how they respond to our activities and how they work on the workshops. I feel great knowing that I'm able to share with them what I know about research.
It was interesting. So, a follow-up question to that, Mom. What were your observations or your insights based on everything that has happened in this training workshop today? Like, was it up to your standard or?
Yeah, we started on time. When I arrived here, the participants are already on their seats, and we had the preliminaries attended by the administrative officials of the school, and with a very nice opening program. And I think everything went well, the scheduling and the topics. And I noticed as well that during the lecture component, all our students at the school and the faculty were very attentive. And something I like about lecture, when they just simply don't sit and listen, they also respond by asking, and I've seen them enjoying the work that they're doing. I just hope that they learn a lot today.
Yeah, I love that. Thank you so much for sharing your insights, Mom. Thank you.